We're going to go into the Ads Manager right here, and we're going to select the green button, Create. We're going to go for engagement. We are going to select page likes. If you don't know what to name the campaign, just go page likes, which is the objective, and then just name the name of your business or organization. Ad set, we're just going to go for the countries that we are targeting, and we're just going to select Ad 1, and we're going to select Continue. You've got the campaign, you've got the ad set, and also got the ad in its rawest form. So what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down here to Campaign Budget Optimization, and we're going to select a budget which we're going to use, a budget of $300. And once we've decided on that budget, we are going to go into the ad set level on the left hand corner over here. And this is then going to give us a start date and an end date. And over here, we're going to let it run for 30 days. As you can see here, that's the Facebook page that we're going to promote. If you are wanting to go with another one, make sure you hit the drop down button over here so that you can select the correct page. We're going to scroll down to our audience, and as you can see right here, it's just in the Tauranga area right now, and we want to target all of Australia and New Zealand. So we're just going to type in the two countries right here. So we've got New Zealand, and now we're looking for Australia. So we've selected both of those, and that is quite a large audience, up to 18 million people. So to bring that down, we're just going to target people who have an interest in marketing. Yeah, we're going to add a couple of things. We're just going to move that up a little bit more to 25, and we're going to put it up to 64. In order to avoid any double ups, as you can see here, you've got existing connections, and we're just going to exit out of this one there, and that'll resolve all the errors that we've got there. And once we have done all those things, we're going to select Next. And that brings us through to the actual ad itself. So as you can see here, it's pulled the filler content, which is like, we want to change that and make it a little bit more interesting. How about video tutorials? So that could be option 1. Let's add another one, and we'll just leave it there. And as you can see right there, that's what the preview of the ad looks like. Now that's not the most flattering image, so we're going to get rid of that, and we're going to replace it with a new image. And to add an image, we just select Add Media, and we click on Add Image, and that will then bring up your media library, and it gives you the chance to choose from the variety of images which you may have uploaded, or if you just want to upload an existing one, you can just select the upload button here and download one off your computer. So let's say, for example, we'll just use a generic one. Yeah, quite a beautiful image, and that's going to be the display image which will show up. Now, here's a look at how it shows up. That all looks fine and good, and we're going to just make sure that things are set up as they should be. So we've got the text, we've got the image, we have got the audience. One thing that we just need to change is moving the start date into the future. Targeting's all set up properly. Interest is people who like marketing in Australia and New Zealand, automatic placements, and we're just going to do a final check. It's for page likes, and the lifetime budget is $300, so $10 a day. Awesome! So now that we've got all of that, we're going to click right here on the ad level, which will take us to the ad itself, and there's a green button down the bottom called Publish, and that's the button that we are going to click to get our page likes ad up and running. And as you can see here, multiple items were published. That's going to go from draft to in review now. So Facebook's now going to review it.